Hello everyone, Julie Lindsay here. This video is for expert advisors joining the Flat Connections Global Project 14.1. I'm starting on the Ning page. This is where we've got the 500 plus students and teachers across 20 schools gathering on this Ning along with experts and other interested teachers and educators, etc. So you'll notice I've put some important links at the top of this Ning, and this will take you of course straight to the expert advisors group. Please make sure that you are a member of this group because important messages will be left here and important information. So particularly about the meeting that's coming up in about 20 minutes. So that's our Ning. Now from the Ning, let me show you the DIGO group. It is suggested that you do join the DIGO group so that you can support and contribute to research that the students are doing and be part of that. It's optional of course, but I do recommend that you do that. The other thing I want to show you is the Wiki. Now this is where you'll be working with the students. This is our new Wiki, newly born. You do need to join Wiki Spaces to access all of the features of the Wiki that you'll need to be an expert advisor. So you'll notice that I'm logged into Wiki Spaces. I'm also a member of this Wiki. You will also need to be a member of the Wiki. Alright, now as a member of Wiki Spaces you will be able to access all of these links on the right hand side there, the student role, the expert advisor role, the keynote information, etc. You'll be able to access all of those, but as a member of Wiki Spaces and not a member of this Wiki, you will not be able to access all of the student teams. So it's really important that you request to join this Wiki, and there will be a message somewhere at the top. Because I'm already a member, it's not showing up on the screen. But you just need to click on that and send your request through and say you're an expert advisor, and we will put you onto the Wiki. Okay? We just had a great session this morning with David Price, our keynote, so please have a look at that as well at some stage. So when you are a member of this Wiki, you'll notice that you can go to the All Teams page. That's one way to look at all of the teams, and of course the other way is to just find them linked here. You will be allocated a topic. Now each one of these rows is a topic. So for example, row 1 is the topic cloud computing. Now we may ask you to work across all of those teams or perhaps just 2 or 3 of them, depending how many advisors we get. So let's have a look at 1A. So this becomes a wiki within a wiki. Right? So this is team 1A. We have about 15, perhaps 18 students now working in team 1A. You can see that their team topic is cloud computing. Their theme is impact on society and global community. There is information here for everyone to read. There's a link back, of course, to the details about expert advisors and the role that we want you to play. You'll see on the right hand side here there are other wiki pages associated with this team. Citations, current news, ebook management, overview and videos. Now we ask that you work with the home page here. You're quite welcome to leave discussion comments on the home page for students and others to see. We also ask that you work on the citations, current news and overview wiki pages as needed. Now ebook management and videos, we don't need you to work on those pages. They're for the students to manage their content, etc. So for example, if we go to the citations page, there's just a little bit of a kickstarter there on the page for the students. So if you wanted to once again leave a comment or an encouragement for the students, you can go down to the bottom of that page and add it straight to the discussion window there. Another technique I want to show you now is how to leave comments right on the page. Now I'm going to go into edit mode because we really want experts to be visible, as teachers will be visible as well. So if there's something that you particularly want to draw to the students' attention, I would suggest leaving a comment on the page. So I'm just going to do this as a test here. Now for example, if the student has added something and you wanted to leave a comment, you could say something like, well done, but have you considered this? And you might add something, or you might add a different way to cite a resource or a different resource, seeing as I'm on the citations page. Now what I want you to do is add expert And then, this is a little trick that you may not know about wikis. If you put 4 tildes, a tilde looks like that, and depending what computer you're on, there are different places on the keyboard. If you put 4 tildes, let me show you what happens. Your username will actually show up on the page. And there you go. See, I've said, well done, but have you considered this, etc. And I've put expert, I'm the expert for this group, and now you can see my name has shown up there. I think this is a great way actually to make our interactions with the students visible. I'm also going to be suggesting to the students they use this technique as well, as they sort through the content and make suggestions to each other. So once again, we can use the discussion forum at the bottom of each page, and I suggest you use that going into edit mode, 4 tildes. Going back to the home page, on the right hand side here, the home page for cloud computing is just there. The main home page, of course, is above it. So what I suggest is you use the home page of the team or teams that you're experts for, introduce yourself in the discussion forum, and then either use that or the tilde method to make your comments visible and interact with the students. So thank you very much. I think that's pretty much all I need to say at this stage, and we truly appreciate your participation and for helping us to flatten the learning for the Flat Connections Global Project. Thanks everyone.